Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today. Today I am going to do a unboxing of my new Le Creuset Braiser. The color of this brazier, start with that, is in the color Cerise, and this is a 3.5 enamel brazier. Made in France, of course. So excited to open it. Been waiting for this thing. Protected by these things here, which is great. This is huge, heavy lid. It's size 30 in the lid. It's very big, very heavy, beautiful. Some paper, a little booklet there. And here she is, guys. Look at this beauty. This is the Le Creuset Braiser, and again the color is Cerise, and I am so happy to have her in my collection. Now these braziers are great. They're actually, if you don't have the Dutch oven, this is great because it goes in the oven. It doesn't stand so high as the Dutch oven, so you can fit a lot of food around here. They also carry it in a size 5 quarts, but this is perfect for my family and myself. It measures across at 12 inches, and the depth of this is 2.5. You can do a lot of cooking in this thing. It goes in the oven, from stovetop to oven, and it's just something that, you know, when you make an investment in something like this, it will last a lifetime. There's a lifetime warranty as long as you take care of it and cook. You know, you want to start your cooking with these things at like a low to medium temperature so you don't scorch the inside, and this brazier will last you a lifetime. I'm so very excited to have it in my collection. And this is what it looks like again, the depth, and I will take these things off. And another thing I love about this thing is that you can put your hands here and see how much you still have space on the inside. You can carry it and it's not a tight grip. Some of the others, braziers that I've come across in the past had a very tight grip, but this one you can put your fingers in and still have room. You could even put mitts in there if you needed to. And it's just a great piece. And that's the end of the video. I just wanted to do an unboxing of my brand new Le Creuset Braiser. And I hope, you know, if you're interested in these type of videos, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I would love to do more unboxings, reviews, and just let me know what you think and what you'd like to see on this channel. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day, guys.